Alright guys, so I have the lid to the power steering reservoir in the Aaron's 59 Fairlane. The O-ring around the lid doesn't look bad, but we do know that it was leaking, so there's no point in not changing it. So I'm gonna pull that out, and then I'll wire wheel around it, get it all clean, and then get the new one in there, and hopefully that resolves our power steering issue. And if we're leaking anywhere else, we have a full gasket kit, so we have every gasket, but that's the one I'm changing right now. So I'll look at all of them, and hopefully I don't have to change any other ones. But alright guys, so I have his lid here again. As you can see, it's a little cleaner. Still gotta get around the edges and everything. Gotta just get in there, maybe with the razor blade. Maybe with this, it's a little difficult because of the lip here, so I can't really get the wire wheel like in there on the very edge. So I'm probably gonna have to end up doing it with the razor blade. I'll try with the wire wheel. It's not the easiest thing to do, so it's not fun. But yeah, and then I imagine I lay down a little bit of silicone to hold it, and then throw that back on to the new one, and hope that works. Third time, because this guy wouldn't stop talking.
I was talking!
Yeah, but as you can see, I got it all cleaned up here, and it's all wire wheeled, and I have a new gasket with a little bit of silicone to hold it in place, because now it won't fall off. So yeah, hopefully that fixes our issues, and if it's leaking anywhere else, we have all the gaskets now, so.
Yeah, we have the full seal kit
Yeah.
for the pump, because the only way to really get that gasket is to get the seal kit. And it's actually cheaper than when you find somebody that wants to sell you that gasket. It's more than the whole kit. So,
Yeah, exactly.
so we just buy the kit, and if we don't use it, whatever, we throw it on the shelf. And you know, you need an O-ring here or a weird seal, we probably have it laying about. So
Yeah.
that's kind of what we like to do around here.
So, yeah, that should hopefully fix our power steering issue. So,
And that'll be done. We gotta investigate the brake booster a little further tomorrow.
yeah, tomorrow we're gonna wrap it up here today, but tomorrow we'll really hop on it and see what our
Yeah.
issues are.
Just tie up some loose ends, because now that we have Dean's done, so we got one Fairlane done, one Fairlane to go. So to
Yeah.
speak. But we also have a Mustang and an Expedition and all kinds of other stuff we got to do too.
A lot of Ford,
Yeah, and the Expedition's kind of a favor for
except for the PR Carrera. All we've done today is Ford.
Ford. Yeah. Yeah. We do a lot of Ford around here.
Yeah.
We do more Ford than anything else.
Ford, Cadillac, and random other things.
And then Top Secret cheated up crate motor.
Maybe.
Maybe.
Allegedly.
Allegedly.
Anyways, what do we say?